Today we're gonna be out, going to an open house, having all kinds of fun. Oh, you don't care about that? You wanna know how to make this? Let's do it. Today's meal, we'll be showing you how to make the perfect keto omelet. The ingredients are as follows. My jalapenos, Tiffany's jalapenos. Mine have no seeds. Tiffany's has seeds. Tiffany can eat the spiciest foods. It's unbelievable. So I just give her all the spice. Beginning from the beginning, jalapeno, ham, avocado, spinach, pepper jack cheese, eggs, butter, olive oil. One thing to note when you cook eggs in general is get your pan up to heat where it's at the proper temperature, below medium, so that you don't cook it too fast so that the right parts of the egg get cooked. Take your time. Be patient, people. Add the butter and the olive oil at the same time. While the butter melts and the pan heats, get your eggs ready. Two eggs in a bowl. Just take a fork. Just whip them up really good. When you start to hear the butter sizzle, you're getting close to being at temperature. Add your eggs. I should have added salt and pepper when I whipped up the eggs. I didn't. Doesn't matter. Just add it to the egg once it's in your pan. Take your time. Don't rush this process. It doesn't take long anyway. You'll start to notice the egg cooking on the outside first. So I'm going to show you a little technique where you scoop the outside of the egg and let the runny egg flow into the hot pan to get you a nice, evenly cooked omelet. Just before the egg is completely cooked, you're gonna have a little bit of runny egg on top, just a little bit, because you still have more to do. Start adding all your toppings. Now we just wait until the omelet looks like it's mostly cooked all through, with the toppings on one side. And we're gonna flip the top over, have a perfect omelet. I love it when a plan comes together. Look at this beauty. I added some avocado on top as well. Anything you can add avocado to. Come on. So to break the omelet down for you, it's 889 calories. In the meal, the total carbohydrates were 4%. Fat, 74%. Protein, 22%. Those are the kind of numbers you want if you're on the keto diet.